Good morning. Today is Friday, November 20th, and here's what you're doing today. First, how are you feeling? And then our read aloud is at 9:30. I will put the Zoom information right here, but I also send it to your grown-ups so you can ask them if you can't get on. And then we're doing chapter 17, and so you still need to do the word wizard. Then for math today, we are, I want you to do Imagine Math Facts for 15 minutes, and then we're doing lesson 10. Lesson 10 is a lot like lesson 9. So I included the video here if you want to watch it, but it should be fairly familiar to you. It should be easy. Okay, so Imagine Math Facts. Then you should be on mission 3, lesson 11. So I need you guys to get to lesson 11. Take a break. After that is spelling. So if you're list A, click here. If you're list B, click here. Just scroll to the next one. So here's list A with Mrs. Schiffman, and here's list B. Then for your journal prompt today, what technology do you think will exist when you are an adult? Like, will there be flying cars? Will our telephones be transplanted into our heads? What do you think the technology will be when you are an adult? Okay, then I want you to do 20 minutes of Imagine Language. So just keep going until it kicks you out. Take a break. After that, it's social studies, so you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to pick a house that you want to build, and then using materials from your house and yard, choose one of the houses you learned about and build it. Make sure you ask parents or grown-ups before using something to build with. Send pictures, or you can bring it into class to show me what you built. And then that's it. You're done. What do you want to know more about? Or what questions do you have? Was anything difficult for you today? Let me know. And that's it. You're done. Have a great weekend, you guys. And we will see you soon, hopefully. Bye.